Hi, Ninka here from Mike Perry Cashmere, and today I have a lovely property to show you just around the corner. It is a 2-bedroom character home, double garage, really spacious. One of the good things about living in this area is the parks and the river walks, and of course the ice cream truck just over here. We're going to go and take a look at the property, so let's go and check it out. Hope you've enjoyed this video. If you think this is a home for you, come and see me at one of the open homes or give me a call. This one is also in the Cashmere High zone. Look forward to seeing you soon.